Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to save passwords in Chrome Android. So to do that, of course, you have to go to your Chrome first. Once in there, make sure you've logged in into your desired account and then head over to the three dots on the top right. From here, you can go to settings and here go to Google Password Manager. And here you can set it up from here, and this is how you can turn on the option. Turn here to offer to save passwords. Uh, Turn on the password alerts or to sign in and automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. So you can also delete all data from here by tapping on delete all data. So yeah, this is how easy it is to save passwords in Chrome Android. You just have to enable it. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And if it helped you out, make sure you share it with your friends and family. And we'll see you in the next video.